the dream that you have in your life, it has to be your dream. I think this is really kind of pertinent to people of your age. Sometimes parents will put pressure on you to, be a doctor or go off and, be an Olympian or whatever it may be, but it really has to come from your heart and it has to be your dream, because if it's not and you're just trying to please other people, you're not going to enjoy the journey, I guess. So make sure that whatever dream it is you have, it really is your dream. Dreams obviously aren't realised overnight. A lot of water had to go under the bridge from the time I decided I wanted to go to the Olympics at 9 until I made it at 25. You've got to have little stepping stones along the way, little kind of tiny goals, just to break down that big kind of period of time, just break it into smaller frames so it seems more achievable.